If you want to change your password for your Atlassian account, then I'm going to show you the easy steps how to do it. So once you're inside your Atlassian account, guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on your account settings here. You can also find the account settings right under your apps right at the front here. So it will take you right into your account settings here as well. Now, once you're here, click on the security tab and you have the option to enter your current password. So if I go ahead and enter, for example, my password here, right? I want to ensure that it is correct. I can click on this to view it, and then I want to enter the new password. So I can go ahead and I can make whatever password I want. And then once I go ahead and hit save, this will in fact allow me to sign in with this new password. Now I'm completely fine with my current password, but I hope that you understand the steps and it's very clear for you to follow to be able to complete your changing of your password. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.